To reset your Xiaomi camera C701 is simple. All you need to do is simply ensure that it's currently plugged into power, and then turn your camera to the back and you should see a button above the port. So all you're going to do is simply press on this button for around 7 to 8 seconds until the indicator light blinks orange. Once you've done that and you can hear the prompt coming from your camera telling you that it's resetting, you'll have successfully completed the reset. So again, plugged into power, long press on the button for at least 7 to 8 seconds. So continue pressing, and then once it tells you reset complete and you see this indicator light, you can let go of the button and it means you've successfully reset your camera. Bear in mind, performing this reset does not mean that any data that was currently on the micro SD card, if it was inserted, will be deleted. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.